Oh hey guys, today on Nev's Garage we're going to be replacing the rear sway bar mount bushes on this MY99 WRX. We're going to be using these Superpro poly bushes. They're really good bushes, they have a lifetime warranty, so you can look forward to a future of trouble-free motoring. They're really easy to fit. I'm going to show you how to do it, so let's get stuck into it. Alrighty, so getting the old ones off is super simple. I'm just going to take out this M8 bolt. Like that. Out comes the bracket and the old bush. Yeah, she's cactus. Look, she's all squashed and worn, flogged out. Hasn't done too bad, I guess, for 20 years. Anyway, next we're going to just give it a bit of a clean. Bit of degreaser. And this saddle as well. And we'll just get a bit of 400 grit sandpaper and polish the bar where the bush pivots. And clean it off. Alright, time for the new bush. So here's our new bush. Alright, here we go. Now the Superpro bushes are knurled inside, as you can see there. That's to create little teeny tiny reservoirs for the lubricant that they supply, which is a silicone grease. And that's so that they don't dry out and start squeaking. Cool, hey? So that's our next job, to lubricate the bush. So here's the supplied grease, and really load it up in there on both sides. Like that. Wipe it around, force it into all those little knurled bits like that. Can put a bit on the bar as well. Like that. Give it a good smear around the shaft. Now I'm going to put the opening towards the front of the car, like that. And then on goes our bracket. And we will have to lift the bar up to get the bracket into the housing, like that. Cool. To complete this step, we may actually need to put a jack under the lateral link and just push it up a bit to push that sway bar into place, like so. Far enough so we can get the bolt started. Like this. Once he's started, we can run it up most of the way with our impact. And then torque it up with the ratchet. It's only an M8 bolt, so don't over torque it. Alright, that's it. That's the first side on. Leave that excess jizz around there. Now let's do the other side. And of course we're just going to give this side the same treatment. Alrighty, so here they are fitted. So nice bushes in there. All that excess grease will just sort of drip off in the next couple of days. That's all good. Here's the other one. Nice. Let's have a look at the other one. Nice. Cool. So now we've got our Superpro solid sway bar links in the rear. If you haven't seen that video, you can check it out. The link's in the comments. And our Superpro rear sway bar bushes. So we've really improved the operation of that rear sway bar now. Very quick and easy, rather cheap to do as well. And it's going to be a big improvement over the factory. Alright, so that's it. Alright guys, well that's it. We've got rid of our old sloppy sway bar mount bushes. We've replaced them with our nice new Superpro bushes. That's really going to complement our Superpro heavy duty sway bar links. If you haven't seen that video, head on over there now. That's something you need to see. Get rid of the dodgy C-shaped plastic links. That's super easy as well. And it's going to give us a really awesome improvement, even with the factory sway bar. So that's it guys. Thank you for liking, sharing and subscribing, and we'll see you next time in Ned's Garage.